Okay, with the Nova scanner, here's the setup. When the scanner's turned on and not connected, you're going to see that you're going to have these green lights on the LEDs. The scanner's not connected, so you're going to go over here to this PC, select Manage, and then go to your Device Manager. Select Device Manager, and on this side you should see your ports, Common LPT. Right now, your scanner's not connected. This is the USB dongle. You're going to be plugging this thing into a USB port on the computer that you're going to use, and it should light up. You will see it show up on your Device Manager. Once connected, one of the LEDs will turn on. If you have a green light, that means you do have a connection to the dongle, but not to the scanner. That Silicon Labs CP210X port is for your scanner's connection. Now we just need to connect the dongle to the scanner, and we are going to use this application, the serial adapter toolbox. And then we are going to go to this application here, double click, and let it run. When this window pops up, you're going to leave it alone and just click OK. And you're going to get this window. You are going to go to Client. You're going to connect. And you're going to select the port that showed in the Device Manager, which in this case is 6, and then hit OK. From there, AT mode is now available. You're going to select that. Read all is now available. Select that. And now you're going to go to your client, and you're going to go to this drop down. See, there's nothing there. Select Device Discovery and wait. When ready, you're going to see a readout here in this console. You can see something mentioning an iStep or some type of Bluetooth device. You're going to go back to the drop down, and we will select the iStep, and then we will write, and that will save it to the dongle. And then we are going to disconnect. After you disconnected, check your LEDs. You should see a faint blue light there and a blue light on the dongle. You are now connected.